All right, let's just jump straight into it. Forget what you think you know about the future. AI isn't some sci-fi dream anymore. It's already here, it's already running huge parts of our world, and today we're going to break down exactly how it's become the most transformative business partner we've ever had. And this quote, it really hits the nail on the head. This is not about robots taking over. Forget that idea. It's about a totally new kind of partnership, one that's going to completely redefine what it means to be brilliant at your job. We're talking about collaboration on a level that was pure science fiction just a few years ago. Okay, so let's get real for a second. AI has officially left the science lab and, well, it's sitting in the lobby waiting for its next meeting. Seriously, though, it's quietly become this essential piece of the puzzle for how modern business actually works. Like right now, today. So, where do you see this in action? Well, one of the biggest examples is predictive analytics. Businesses are using AI to sift through just mountains of data to figure out what's coming around the corner. Think of it like a crystal ball for your entire company, telling you your next best move before you've even had your morning coffee. And it's not just about giving hints or suggestions. Nope. AI is actually taking the wheel on so many routine decisions. Things like spotting credit card fraud, tweaking supply chains on the fly, managing inventory, all that stuff. And by handing that over, it frees us, the humans, up to focus on the really juicy problems, the big, messy, creative stuff that only we can solve. And listen, this is not just a Silicon Valley thing. Not at all. We're seeing it everywhere. In finance, you've got AIs making billion-dollar trades in the blink of an eye. Healthcare, it's helping doctors spot diseases with a level of accuracy that's, well, it's almost superhuman. In retail, it's the reason your shopping recommendations are getting scarily good. And manufacturing, get this, it's running whole factories with a precision that was literally impossible just a decade ago. So you might be wondering, what's the magic ingredient here? What's making all this incredible stuff happen? Well, that brings us to the fuel, the absolute core of this entire revolution. It all comes down to one word: data. It's the lifeblood, simple as that. You can have the most powerful AI in the world, but without tons of good, clean data, it's like a Ferrari with no gas. It's going nowhere. See, the data is what it learns from. It's how it adapts and gets smarter. And let's be clear, in this new era, the companies with the best data, they're not just going to lead the future, they're going to own it. Okay, this right here, this gets to the absolute heart of it. The big idea isn't replacement, it's amplification. We can make a good, informed decision, but with AI, we can make a smarter, faster one. We can solve a problem in our office, right? Well, AI lets us solve that same problem at a global scale, instantly. It's a tool that just takes our own natural abilities and cranks them up to 11. Now, this leads to something really interesting, kind of a paradox, actually. You'd think as the tech gets smarter, our human skills would matter less, right? Well, it's the exact opposite. Our most human qualities, the things that make us us, they're not just relevant, they're becoming our most valuable asset. And this chart just lays it out perfectly. I mean, look at it. On one side, you have what machines are amazing at: scale, speed, crunching numbers, no contest. But on the other side, you've got creativity, empathy, critical thinking. Machines just can't do that. And these aren't soft skills anymore, folks. In the age of AI, these are power skills. They're what give you the edge. So here's the bottom line, the thing you really need to get. The future of business isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. The winning playbook is the one that combines both. Think about it. AI can analyze 1 million customer reviews in a second, right? Spot trends we'd never see. But it takes a person to look at that data and go, aha, here's the story, here's the human emotion, and then build a campaign that actually connects with people. That is the magic combination. All right, so if that's where we are today, what's coming next? What does the workplace actually look like in, say, 10 years? Buckle up, because the changes aren't just going to be big, they're going to be exponential. And I'm not just talking about a fancy new app on your phone. We're looking at the possibility of entire organizations that basically run themselves. You've got AI handling the day-to-day operations, making strategic calls in real time. And for you as an employee, imagine a work environment that literally customizes itself to how you work best, helping you stay in the zone. The result of all this? A jump in productivity and innovation that's going to blow our minds. So let's bring it back to you. What does all this mean right now? It means we're standing at a crossroads, a really important one. And for every single business leader, every entrepreneur, every professional out there, there's a choice to be made. And honestly, it's pretty urgent. This chart really says it all, doesn't it? The road ahead basically splits in two. There are those who are going to jump in, learn to work with AI, and they're going to thrive. They're going to see massive growth. And then there are those who hesitate, who want to wait and see. And that path, it leads to stagnation. It leads to getting left behind. The choice is really that black and white. So, I want to leave you with this final thought. The big question is not if your business is going to use AI. Come on, that ship has sailed. The real question, the one that matters, is how intelligently are you going to use it? Because the answer to that question, well, that's going to define your future.